Mostly, as you see, I use MacBook, iPad, iPhone, Samsung, and Nokia.
All over the world, the Somalis were following and counting the votes.
It was a day where, we officially elected our new president. I was actually grateful to be one of the people that was tweeting from the scene.
Because the media and the technology that's available were there, it gave the whole world that what happened in Mogadishu on real time, all the 5 continents knew how we operated.
The solar technology can increase sustainability and the security. It's easy, the technology. The only thing we need is sun. The sun is free.
Technology is the best way to create a platform for the youth that do not have a voice here in Somalia. Internet, social media, through websites, forums.
We cannot afford any disconnection with our citizens. I must have a Facebook or a Twitter or something like that. Technology made possible also 2 enemies to talk without being face to face, but at the same time they are talking through internet, through chatting. Somalis are mostly an oral nation. They like to talk, they like to chat. Technology is really made for the Somali people, I think.
waxaad ku nooshiyo